Hi and welcome to today's English class. And in this class, we are going to discuss a grammar topic. The topic I have chosen today is preposition. Have you heard this word preposition? A preposition is a word. It is nothing but a single word that gives additional information to the same sentence. For simple words, we can say it expresses the relationship of a noun. Yes, it expresses a relationship of a noun or it gives the additional information to the same sentence. These can be the definitions for preposition. A preposition is a word that expresses the relationship of a noun. And in this class, we are going to discuss the types of prepositions. We are going to discuss 3 types of prepositions. They are prepositions of time, prepositions of place and prepositions of direction. These 3 types are going to be discussed in this class. And prepositions of time, yes, it expresses the time, and here we have 3 prepositions: in, on, at. Where do we use in, on and at? In. When we are confronting a month or year, there we can use in. In 2016, in 2020, in that year, in this year, we can use that. In February, in January, in July, in August. And for particular time of the day, that is in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the noon, in the night, the particular time of the day and century. In the 20th century, in the 21st century, yes, for centuries we have to use in. And the next thing we have in the list is on for days, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. And for dates, on 8th of this month, on 20th of this month, on 20 February 2020, and for special occasion, on my birthday, on my wedding. For those things we use on. And for at. Here we have to use at for time. At 8 o'clock, at 12:30, at 11:15, at 1 o'clock, at 5 o'clock. For time we have to use at. Yes. Now you know the prepositions of time. And then next we move to the prepositions of place. Prepositions of place, we have 3, the same prepositions: in, on and at. Where do we have to use it? In, to mention the places having some boundary. The places having some boundary. In Virudhunagar, in Tamil Nadu, in Mumbai, in Kerala, in Chennai. A place with a boundary. There we have to use in. And on for surfaces of the things. On, surfaces of the things. On the table, on the chair, on the desk, on the computer. That means on the surface of it. And the next one is at. At for specific places. For a specific place, we use at. At the museum, at the park, at the hotel. There we can use at, a specific place. And the next, let's go to the last one, prepositions of direction. Yes, it represents the direction it moves. Into, to, through, towards, from, across, behind, above, over. We have a lot of prepositions of direction, which is just to represent the direction it goes. Yes, that's all. In this class, we discussed 3 prepositions: prepositions of time, prepositions of place and prepositions of direction. Let us see some examples here. She was born that's 1997. It's a year. Yes. You're right, she was born in 1997. And the next one, the party will start 8 p.m. I hope you found it. At. The party will start at specific time. Time here, so at 8 p.m. And the third one here, everyone takes breakfast, that's the morning. It's a particular time of the day. Hope you found it. In the morning. Next. They live as India. India. It's a place with boundary. So we could mention here in. They live in India. They place their books as a table. That's right, on a table. She waited for the kids as the gate of her home. Gate of her home. Home. In home, that's a specific place. The specific place is mentioned with at. So she waited for the kids at the gate of her home. Good. The next one here, he threw a stone, that's the well. Well, it goes into it. Yes, got it. Into the direction. He threw a stone into the well. The snake was coming, that's her. The snake was coming, yes, we have to see the direction. The direction is towards her. It's moving towards her. Snake was coming towards her. And the last one here, they are going as a restaurant. That's right. To the direction to a restaurant. They are going to a restaurant. She was born in 1997. The party will start at 8 p.m. Everyone takes breakfast in the morning. They live in India. They place their books on a table. She waited for the kids at the gate of her home. He threw a stone into the well. The snake was coming towards her. They are going to a restaurant. Those are the things we have learned today. Prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of direction. Or it can also be called as movement. Preposition. A preposition is a word that expresses the relationship of a noun or a pronoun. In simple words, it gives additional information to the same sentence. And that's all for today's class. I hope you have understood it really well. Thank you for watching this video.